Yes, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use sum indirect. For example, I wanted to find the sum of the largest number in this range from a E2 up to a N2. So by using sum indirect, as you can see, this one I want to sum up the sum of 7 largest number. So it is simple. It is very simple. Start with the equal sign, then sum, then sum of the largest, then go to the range here, comma, row, open bracket, then indirect, open bracket, open quotation mark, then 1, 2, 7, then close quotation mark. Yeah, because this one is the array formula, so in order to function any array, in order to function, you have to press Control Shift and Enter at the same time, then Enter. So this is how you can find the sum of the largest number by using sum indirect. In order to apply for other students, drag this form. Yeah. But also I can find the sum of the smallest number by using sum indirect. Also it is very simple. Start with this one. Let's say this one is small. Start with equal sign, then sum, small, open bracket, then go to the range, arrange this one, comma, row, bracket, indirect, then open 1, 7, then close with quotation mark. Also, because this one is the array formula, just let me show you how to do this. So for any array formula, in order the formula to work, you have to press Control Shift and Enter. Control Shift and Enter, as you can see this one. So this one is working now because it is the array formula, so you have to press Control Shift and Enter at the same time. As you can see this one, so now it is working. So you can use sum indirect formula in order to simplify the formula. As you can see, array formula always is closed by this bracket. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Like, share and comment. Thank you.